Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate meta catalog with Shopify channel, full guide step by step clearly. To start, navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, select Sales Channels. Click on Add Sales Channel. In the list, find and select Facebook. You will be prompted to connect your Facebook account. Log in with your Facebook credentials. Once logged in, authorize Shopify to access your Facebook account. After authorization, choose the correct Facebook business. Make sure to select your meta catalog during the setup process. Now, proceed to configure your product settings. Review how your products will be displayed on Facebook and Instagram. Ensure that the product status is set to active. Next, your products need to be synchronized with the meta catalog. Click on Sync to initiate the product synchronization. Monitor the synchronization process for any errors or warnings. If you encounter errors, follow the troubleshooting prompts provided by Shopify. Once synchronization is complete, navigate to your meta catalog on Facebook. Check the product listings to confirm that they are appearing correctly. If all products are displaying, your catalog is successfully authenticated. Remember to periodically check back to ensure your sync remains active. That concludes the process for authenticating your meta catalog with Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.